Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong June 24 to 30, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Ayan, kung gusto niyo mag-book for a private reading. So let's see Capricorn, what's up with you ngayong week na to? What are the energies coming to you? Anong ganap sa mga Capricorn? Okay. Bottom of the deck is Judgment. Major change sa sarili ninyo. I think, matagal na itong labas ng labas sa mga readings ninyo. Transformation, changes, can be sa career, sa relationships. This is a rebirth as well. So, maaring i-reinvent nyo yung sarili nyo. Pwedeng may glow up, or meron kayong susubukan na bagong career, bagong business, bagong projects, that is, kumbaga medyo medyo kayo ay nag-experiment pa. Kung kayo ay magiging successful doon. But at least I see you getting out of your comfort zone. No? Umaalis ka sa comfort zone mo. Yes, you have the strength card. Lakas ng loob to do the things na nag-i-inspire sa'yo. You also have the Seven of Wands. I feel like kahit na merong mga taong sumusubok na pigilan ka sa mga plans mo, I think decided ka na. Ayan o. Gusto mo talagang i-pursue. Kasi yun yung passion mo and you feel na this is going to give you more abundance, prosperity. So siguro yung iba gustong magnegosyo. Pero yung mga tao sa paligid nyo, like yung family nyo, loved ones, niisip na, uy, teka, kaya mo ba yan? Or sa tingin mo ba decided ka na? Yung ganon. I think hindi ka naman, kumbaga, you are taking down notes. Ninonote mo lahat ng mga opinion nila, yung mga suggestions nila, but at the end of the day, ikaw yung may decision dito. Okay? So this is something adventurous para sa'yo in terms of your career, family life, home life. Pwede rin paglipat ng bahay, or trabaho. So, ngayon, nandun ka sa point na fina-follow mo yung passion mo. Saan ka masaya, kung saan sa tingin mo magiging successful ka. So you are following your instinct, yung intuition mo. So your overall energy is the Six of Wands. This is about success. You are admired by a lot of people. Kumbaga kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon, you are gaining a lot of attention, you are becoming successful. May mga, pwedeng meron kang leadership role ngayon sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. You are also being seen by a lot of people. Kumbaga, meron kang level of fame, no? Popularity. So, pwedeng ikaw ay nasa public eye, public service, or nasa social media, being seen by a lot of people. So, ang challenge mo is the Emperor. May mga bagay na nahihirapan kang i-disiplina yung sarili mo. No? Maybe because you want to be in control of the things na hinahandle mo. But there are things na kailangan mo talagang panindigan para mag-work para sa'yo. Okay. So example, you want to save up money. Gusto mo makapag-ipon. Syempre, kailangan ng disiplina doon para makapag-ipon ka, consistency. But there are times na gusto mo in-control ko sa pera mo. So, kung gusto mong gumastos, gagastos ka. 'Di ba? Kaya lang, nagko-conflict siya doon sa pag-iipon mo. So, kumbaga, sabi nga yung full control sa buhay, sa sarili natin is magbabase yan sa iyong disiplina sa sarili mo. Kasi ibig sabihin, if you can discipline yourself, you can definitely control your life. Okay? So, your opportunities, the Hanged Man. So, ito yung pagninilay-nilay, bagong perspective sa buhay. Meron kang opportunity na magpahinga, to pause, no, to have a break, and reassess your situation. Kung nasa tamang direction ka ba, are you happy, are you fulfilled, what is missing, ano pa yung kailangan mong ma-achieve. So, kumbaga, ngayon, like what I mentioned kanina, may nagbabago sa'yo. And isa sa pagbabago na yan is yung perspective mo sa buhay. Yung pananaw mo sa buhay. And then your blessing is the Justice card. So this is bringing balance into your life. Maaring medyo naging chaotic yung mga nangyari in the past. Or even in the recent past. And ngayon, you are being blessed with harmony, peace of mind. Ngayon, mas maayos kang magdesisyon, mas maliwanag yung isip mo, mas focus ka sa katotohanan sa sarili mo. And then, let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Ten of Swords, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. Meron kang pinag-iisipan na i-let go na trabaho, business, career, or anything na projects mo na you feel na parang hindi na siya worth it, baka masyado ka ng nasa-stress or masyadong it's taking a lot of your time, your energy, na you feel like it's not worth it. So I think you're going to let go of that. Meron ka ng fair share doon. Kumbaga, nagawa mo na yung best mo. And if you feel like hindi ka pa rin kontento, then maybe there's a new path na gusto mong tahakin. And I feel like this is going to bring you stability in your finances. Mas sigurado siya, mas long-term, mas beneficial sa'yo sa trabaho, career, or business. So sa relationship, you have the Nine of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is a form of communication, a new beginning. So maaring you will be connecting with people na can be a person from the past, parang kumustahan, ganyan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng may mga plans na kayo. If you are already in a relationship, you are planning for a serious commitment with someone, yung tipong pinagpaplanuhan nyo na yung kasal, having your own family, having your own business together. So, kumbaga, you are enjoying your relationship at the same time, gina-guide nyo rin yung isa't isa sa isang relationship na sigurado yung future for you. Okay? This is also a very mature type of relationship. Maaring pareho kayo Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, na alam nyo yung inyong mga responsibilities, yung inyong mga kailangang i-accomplish before settling down. And I also see more fun times together with your romantic partner kung ikaw ay may karelasyon ngayon. But if you're single, I think meron ditong connection na pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo or mas mature siya mag-isip. Someone who is established na sa buhay na this person is making you feel happy. So, kailangan lang din, alam mo kung ano yung stand mo sa person na to. Okay? You will be shown the way. Wow. So, ito na nga yung path. Yung landas na tatahakin mo. I feel like sa career to, ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung landas na mas makakabuti para sa'yo sa career mo. Success assured with good plans and hard work. See? Basta pinagtrabahuhan mo, ineffortan mo, inalagaan mo, rest assured, guaranteed success. A stubborn, aggressive person. So, maaring maka-deal ka with someone na matigas ang ulo, medyo aggressive, demanding. Baka ikaw yon. You will deal with yourself. You also have chain of events that will affect your life. So, may mga ganap ngayong week na to na makakaapekto sa iyong buhay, no? Pwede kasing um, may mga nangyayari sa paligid mo pero hindi ka naman affected, but I feel like there are some events na is going to affect your day-to-day routine. Example, traffic. O, di malilate ka. Yung mga ganun. Announcement. O, merong announcement. Maaring ikaw yung magbibigay ng announcement or meron kang malalaman na i-announce. Can be good news, can be bad news, but I think ito yung bagay na maaapektuhan ka eh. No? So, older man, you are dealing with an older man. O, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong someone who is mature sa buhay mo, sa relationship, connections. Okay, you have the South Node, Cancer, and 4th house. Ooh! Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong kakausapin, parents, kahit sino, magulang, nanay, tatay, that you need to, parang kailangan yung ayusin yung relationship nyo sa kanila. Some of you naman, this can be a person from the past na you will deal with related sa home life, family life, pwedeng ex, ganyan, or related sa anak, ganyan, ngayong week na to. Authenticity, live life for you, not the audience in your head. Yes, mamumuhay ka para sa sarili mo, hindi para lang sa ibang tao. Breathe. The calmer you are, the more time slows down, and the easier it is to get everything done. Yes. Kalmado, hindi mo kailangan madaliin ng mga bagay-bagay. Kasi mas kalmado yung isip mo, mas spontaneous ka. Mas marami kang naka-accomplish. Okay, so that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.